This video describes how to install and enable plugins in Obsidian. A list of plugins are included that you'll need for your system's development journey. To get started, you will need to expand the menu to view the Obsidian settings icon. Click the icon to open it. In the left-hand menu, you will find Community Plugins listed. Select it so it is highlighted, then click the Browse button to see an extensive list of plugins. Browse or search for the plugin you want to install. Select it to display a description of the plugin. Now click Install followed by Enable. Once enabled, you can adjust plugin options to suit your requirements. Returning to Community Plugins at any time, check to see if developers have made improvements to the plugins by checking for updates. Install those if there are any. The following plugins should be installed. They are essential tools to assist you with the system's design process. The following information describes what the plugin's main functions are. Templater. Templates provide consistency and continuity of practice. Templater uses a form to enter data into the template before generating the file. Diagrams. Create business process diagrams that can be embedded within notes or as standalone files. A useful and convenient way to access diagramming software from draw.io for free, right inside the Obsidian environment. Share Note. Notes are shared with your full theme and should look identical to how they look in your Obsidian vault. It's a great way to get feedback. Kanban. Kanban is a visual workflow management system. It helps individuals and teams organize tasks, monitor work in progress, and improve efficiency by making every stage of work visible from start to finish. Update time on edit. This inserts the date and time of note creation in the first instance, then updates date and time for following edits. This is useful for tracking development. There are other useful community plugins, but those listed will get you started.